If I get a bad solve, I have to do squats. Oh my god, this is gonna be pain. I'm gonna be doing some solves, and if I get a solve that's over 15 seconds, I'm gonna be doing squats. So this is probably gonna leave me sore after this, so let's just start. Go, I don't have to do one right now. No. No, that's just a second solve. Oh my god. Okay, now it's time to do it. Okay, it occurs to me that I need a wider lens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we got our first 10 squats in. After that, each time I get a solve over 15 seconds, I'm gonna have to add 10 more to whatever I just did before. I just did 10. Now after that, I'm gonna have to do 20 and then so on and so forth. So I'm probably gonna be sore by the end of this. I probably shouldn't have thought of doing this. Oh no. Now it's time to do 20. 1, 2, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now after that, I just kept doing more and more and more squats. Oh my god. One, 2, 3, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 67, 68, 69, 70. Oh my god. So I just did 70. After that I'm gonna have to do 80, but I'm gonna do another solve. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do 90 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 87, 88, 89, 90. Oh my god, I'm so tired from that. That was pain. Okay, it's time for even more solves. Oh my god, okay. Well, that was a bad solve, but because I just did 220 squats, I'm not going to do any more. For this one, I'm going to do 5 solves one-handed, but instead of using my hand I use for one-handed, I'm gonna use the wrong hand. Yeah, most of my finger tricks that I have for OH are all on my left hand because it makes everything else easier. Okay, I'm gonna need to do sledge at one point. Oh, it's a 3-mover, but I'm gonna have to take it out of... Oh my god, I have 45... That's probably like way over cut off if I was actually in a competition right now. No, I have an R perm. I'm just gonna do T perm. Yeah, this is adding to my sols on my normal 3x3 session. Okay. That actually hurts my hand more than I thought it would. Yeah, this is literally the first time I've had to use the table. I never usually use this whenever I do OH. What was that? Oh, that was so much better. Okay. I'm gonna do one more challenge. I'm gonna have to solve it into checkerboard pattern, just like 2x2 checkerboard pattern instead of normal 3x3. I'm gonna have to insert that in the opposite slot. Okay, 41 seconds. And I think that's a good place to end the video here. I'm pretty well aware that I'm gonna be so sore after this. Hopefully it's not as bad as it was last time, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.